Hey! Welcome to the home of the best-selling internet sensation, the 8-Week Booty. Do you want a bigger, rounder, fuller, and stronger backside? Are you trying to get that sexy, gorgeous, tight, lifted butt? Have you tried all the usual exercises just to see no changes at all? Well, you're not alone. Hundreds of thousands of women worldwide, just like you, feel the same. The reason people are not seeing the results they want is usually one of these 5 reasons. You are using the wrong exercises for your body type. The exercises you are using do not stimulate muscle growth in the right way. You are doing the right exercises, but in the wrong order. The mind-muscle connection is just not there. When you train a muscle, you must know how to feel that particular muscle working properly. Only then can you stimulate the amazing changes seen by our clients. Your nutritional plan is not optimized to bring you the results you want. Here is something else to think about. What if we said that not only do we have the best tried and tested plan to build an awesome booty, which has been used by thousands of clients all around the world, but you are very likely to lose weight at the same time too? Is that something you'd be interested in? Well, look no more, because this is a workout you will want to keep on your favorites list. It's been designed by 2 of the industry's leading nutritionists and trainers, specifically for women just like you. The 8-Week Booty is a unique program that not only gives you all the exercises you need to reshape your booty with videos, all set out in the specific order that is needed to make them 100% effective, but you also get a full nutritional plan to go along with it. That's right, not only will you get the booty of your dreams, but many clients have found they lose weight at the same time. So get ready for your dreams to come true. That perfect booty is just a few weeks away. And watch the weight come off while you see that tush grow. But don't take our word for it. Let our satisfied clients tell you instead. So, what's the plan and how does it work? I'm glad you asked. The 8-Week Booty program uses a specific combination of exercises to hit your backside from every angle. Not only do you get the amazingly effective workout that shapes your butt, it also gives you an amazing cardio workout that is fun and sculpting at the same time. But that's not all. We have constructed a comprehensive nutrition plan to go alongside the workouts that will accelerate your results and help you melt off any extra fat you might have. That's right, 8 weeks from now, you could be proudly wearing your favorite jeans or pencil skirt with the biggest smile on your face. Get started today and see the results in just 8 weeks or even less. Oh, and we are so confident that you will get the result you want that we are giving you a full 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right, we know you will get the results you want, so we offer a full, no-quibble money-back guarantee so you can try the plan at no risk to you. Check out more testimonials below from just a few of our satisfied clients. In fact, why not download the plan and follow it for 30 days? If you don't like the results, then you return every penny of your money. You've got nothing to lose, just a sexy butt to gain. Download the 8-Week Booty now and get the butt you've always wanted.